In this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of the assembly process and show you what the finished product looks like so you know exactly what to expect when your SunnyFurn bed frame arrives. But here's going to be everything that you get. It's all nicely labeled for you and they give you all the tools you need to get this assembled. So now the first step is just getting that outer frame together, and this is just a couple bolts on the middle and corners of this. And like I said, they give you the tools with just an Allen wrench so you can screw in these bolts. You're going to be able to get this thing assembled in about 5 to 10 minutes, and that is the outer frame. And now for the middle part of it, it's going to be those inner support beams. Same thing, just screwing in bolts with an Allen wrench. I had this whole thing assembled in about 30 minutes. It really was that easy. There's no tricks. Just follow along. Everything's labeled for you. Instructions are clear. Just screw in the bolts and you're good to go. And now here's going to be what the final product looks like. Overall, I'm super happy with this bed frame. I love that they give you the mattress guards on there. That's free of charge. Also, I do like that the slats are bolted into place. There's not going to have any noise when you're moving around on this at night, which is a huge perk. So overall, I'm super happy with this bed frame. I give it 2 thumbs up.